Every time we share a new pork chop recipe with you, our website lights up. I guess it only makes sense since pork chops are one of the best values in the meat case, and they cook up super quick. So let me share a new one that we just came up with that is so fitting for this time of year. We start off by combining some apple cider or apple juice with a splash of apple cider vinegar and a bit of garlic in a baking dish. To that, we add 4 pork chops and let them marinate in the fridge for about 2 hours. As for the chops, they can be bone-in or boneless. That's up to you. After they marinate, we season them with some salt and pepper and saute them in a hot skillet until they're cooked through. While they're cooking, we saute a chopped apple with a bit of butter, and when it's tender, we add in some of the marinade. Once this boils, we thicken it up with a bit of the marinade that we mix with some flour and cinnamon, and it's ready to serve. What makes this so nice is that it's packed with flavor, it's seasonal, and super budget friendly. So why not go online and get the recipe for our orchard pork chops? I know you'll be glad you did. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a very juicy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.